I think something all of us can agree on is that when we first start learning math, we kind of behave like math zombies. A math zombie is a student who can memorize the formula, plug in some numbers, and get the right answer, but have no idea what they're actually doing. This happened to me all the time. I would study for a test with memorizing some formulas, I would get an A on the test, and then 2 weeks later, I would forget all of the formulas. And something I learned after becoming a teacher is that it's kind of the school's fault for doing this. Schools train us to be zombies by rewarding memorization, not understanding. Take the quadratic formula, for instance. Everybody knows the song. It's like x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root. You guys know the song. But if I asked you right now, why is there a plus or minus symbol in the formula? Or what does the formula actually look like on a graph? Most people probably couldn't tell me. It's this understanding that separates learning math from memorizing math. When all you're doing is decoding symbols, math will feel really hard because you're trying to memorize 1,000 random formulas instead of learning where they come from. Real math is visual. The formula isn't a magic spell. It's a set of instructions. A few days ago, one of my students asked me about this, and I didn't have a good answer for her. So I went to Lumi and asked to explain the quadratic formula. This is what happened.
Absolutely. Let's derive the quadratic formula from scratch. I wrote the standard form at the top and the formula at the bottom. We're going to connect them. Ready to see where it comes from?
Lumi took the general form of a quadratic and showed us step by step how to derive the quadratic formula.
And there it is, the quadratic formula.
Suddenly, the formula makes sense. Textbooks can teach you the code, Lumi can show you the map. If you're tired of memorizing things that don't make sense, start learning with a partner who actually explains the why. There's a link in the description to try Lumi for yourself. Don't just pass the test, master the content.